Welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about HTTP redirects. So URL redirection, also known as URL forwarding, is a technique to give more than one URL address to a page, a form, or a whole website application. HTTP has a special kind of response called HTTP redirect. For this operation, redirects accomplish numerous goals. Temporary redirects during site maintenance or downtime, permanent redirects to preserve existing links, bookmarks after changing the site's URL, URLs, progress pages when uploading a file. So I'll give you a great example of redirects. My website, learntechplus.com, I was building a website on there, and what happened was, instead of, and then I signed up for so let me give you the full scope of what I'm talking about. So I went on a website, it's a platform, and I wanted to use that platform for a storefront, okay? But instead of using my URL, they allowed you to use a different URL. So it would be one.platform.com, for example, okay? And my website, LearnTech Plus, I put that into a redirect. So anytime you went to one.platform.com, it would take you to learntechplus.com, okay? That way I didn't have to take down my site and mess up my SEO and everything else. And that's exactly why you would use redirects in HTTP. Okay. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.